Today in this video, we are about to discuss the reagent called selenium dioxide and its reactions. And this is the structure of this selenium dioxide. For better understanding, please don't skip this video and watch till the end. The alkenes possessing allylic CH bonds are oxidized by selenium dioxide, either to allylic alcohols or esters or alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes or ketones, depending on the experimental conditions. The reaction involves first a ene-type reaction followed by a sigmatropic 2,3 shift, and then it gives selenium ester and it is converted to allylic alcohol on solvolysis or hydrolysis. Let's see the mechanism. You see here, this is alkene. We are reacting this alkene with selenium dioxide, and the oxygen is more electron withdrawing group than selenium. So the electron over here will move over here, forming partial positive charge here and partial negative charge here, and that this bond moves over here and attacks to selenium, and this bond moves over here forming this compound. After that 2,3 sigmatropic rearrangement happens. You have to just number this. You have to start with saturated carbon atom. So 1, 2 and 3. Here the selenium comes number 1 and this one comes number 2, and this 2, 3, the bond will be formed over here, and 1 bond will break, forming this intermediate. After the hydrolysis, the allylic alcohol, this is allylic alcohol, which is a product, is obtained over here. These are some of the important statements of selenium dioxide oxidation. It oxidizes of the allylic carbon. Here the allylic carbon, which has hydrogen, is converted to alcohol. The oxidation of active methylene group. Here the C double bond O group is here. Because of this group, this hydrogen and this methylene group is active because it is acidic. So it oxidizes the active methylene group. The oxidation happens at the more substituted site rather than the less substituted site. The oxidation happens with E selectivity, not the Z selectivity. The oxidation happens in the ring wherever possible. See this example. This is vinylic and this is allylic. In presence of selenium dioxide, the oxidation happens at the allylic position. So the alcohol group is added over this group. You see here, this is the vinylic and this is allylic. This center is allylic center. So the alcohol adds over here, forming the compound. Here the selenium dioxide in presence of tertiary butanoic acid in presence of DCM at 25 degrees centigrade is the product is obtained. You see this example. This is vinylic and this is allylic center. The oxidation happens at this position. So this is the product of this reaction. See this example. This is vinylic and the allylic center is present here and also here. See, this is the bridged position. So the oxidation will not happen over here. Only at this position the oxidation happens. Here the alcohol is present over here. This is the previous year question. This is the starting material. They are asking the product of this reaction. They are giving the reagent at first the selenium dioxide, followed by NaCN, followed by manganese dioxide, followed by NHMe2. At first the selenium dioxide is added over here. See here, which is in excess. If there is excess, the alcohol is again converted to aldehyde. See, this is the EZ selectivity. So the E selectivity is favored. So the alcohol, which is again converted to aldehyde because it is excess. So this is the position where the aldehyde is added over here and this carbon is oxidized. After that NaCN is added, Na plus and Cn minus. The Cn minus will attack over here forming O minus, and this minus will attack to this hydrogen forming this alcohol. The MnO2 we are adding. The MnO2 oxidizes the allylic alcohol. So this alcohol is converted to ketone. After that we are adding NHMe2. The NHMe2 is the structure of this one. The lone pair of electron over the nitrogen will attack this carbon and this will come as O minus. Again this minus will come here and Cn minus will eliminate and forming the product, and this is the final product of this reaction. You have to remember that whenever we add SiO2 to excess, the alcohol present over here will convert to aldehyde. So thus the aldehyde is present. See another example. This is the previous question. This is the active methylene group. You see the C double bond O near to this group is acidic, so the oxidation happens at this position. After that KOH is added over here. The OH minus attacks to this carbon and this will come as O minus. This is benzylic acid rearrangement. This, whenever the benzylic acid rearrangement happens, the 6-membered ring will convert to 5-membered ring and the OH and the COOH will be at the same carbon atom. The O minus will attack over here and this group will migrate over here forming 5-membered ring and thus forming the product. This is also the previous question. You see here this is the active methylene group. So this CH2 group is acidic and so this oxidation happens over here. After that K plus OH minus will be there. The minus will attack to this carbon and this will come as O minus forming this compound. Again this minus will come over here and this bond will migrate over here and this will come as O minus forming the intermediate, this one. After that this 6-membered ring, this is benzylic acid rearrangement. Whenever you see like this, the benzylic acid rearrangement happens. Here the 6-membered ring will be converted to 5-membered ring and the alcohol and the acid will be present at the same carbon atom. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any doubts, please post it in the comment box. Like, share and subscribe and support us to reach this to the maximum. Have a good day.